Most animations made by beginners don't look bad because they're missing more frames. They look bad because they're missing two important animation principles. And what most beginners don't realize is that once you understand those principles, your walks, runs, jumps, and even fight animations immediately start feeling much more natural. So, in this video, I'm going to show you the two animation principles that will change your animation. The first animation principle is acceleration and deceleration. A lot of beginners make every movement happen at the same speed, but real movement doesn't work like that. Fast actions need bigger spacing, while slow actions need tighter spacing. Let's use a run cycle as an example. When every frame is evenly spaced, the run starts feeling robotic. But once the spacing changes throughout the movement, the run immediately starts feeling faster, smoother, and much more alive. The second animation principle is anticipation. Before almost every movement, something prepares first. Look at a jump. The legs bend, the body lowers, then the character launches upward. The exact same thing happens in a punch. Before the fist moves forward, the arm pulls back first. That preparation tells the audience something powerful is about to happen. And once you start adding anticipation, your movements stop feeling random and start feeling more intentional, more alive, and more believable. But even after learning the animation principles, creating great animation takes a huge amount of time. That's one of the reasons I started building an app called Diamond Animator. My goal isn't to just build another animation app. It's to build an AI animator that helps animators spend less time doing repetitive work and more time actually animating. And later on, you're not just gonna see updates. You're actually gonna watch me build this system step by step. Every episode gets this project one step closer to the AI animator I've always wanted to build. So, if you want more animation videos, tutorials, Diamond Animator updates, and a chance to become one of the first beta users as early as fall 2026, make sure you subscribe and stay notified.